Hello SEO pros, welcome to the second tutorial of Affiliate SEO series. In our second tutorial, we will learn how to install SSL. So this is what happens when you don't have SSL installed. To install SSL, we will go to cPanel and then Security and then SSL Manager. Now select Domain and select SSL type. Now click on Get. It will take few minutes. Now as you can see SSL is installed and it's showing a green lock and connection is secure. Now the next thing that we have to do is configure an HTTP to HTTPS redirect. For that we will go to plugins, add new, really simple SSL. Click on install now, activate, activate. Now go to http status.io. Write both versions of your website. Check status. So as you can see, it's going from HTTP to HTTPS. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.